Hello children, how are you? Very good morning. Hope all are well. This is Amita. Today's topic, human digestive system. The series of human digestive system. All parts of teeth and kinds of teeth and the structure of teeth already discussed about in previous session. Here today we know about what is digestion and alimentary canal. Anatomy of alimentary canal and what is alimentary canal and digestive tract. So firstly know about what is digestion. Okay, this topic will take it from CBSE pattern class 10 and let's start without time wasting time. So I will request you all, please subscribe, like and go share and press that button for upcoming notification. So let's start. This is a human digestive system. The process of breaking down, we already know the process of breaking down large insoluble food fragment into a smaller soluble water fragment. This process is called digestion. Okay, the all part of our body involved in digestion, uptake and involved in digestion and elimination of undigested food material through anus. So this process is called digestion. But firstly know about, keep in mind how can define digestion. So let's start. Suppose this is a food particle. Okay, know about, this is a large fragment of food particle insoluble in water. We already take in our mouth. Okay, this is a food. Okay, insoluble fragment, insoluble substance and large fragment, large particle breaking down into a small soluble water particle, small soluble water particle and then absorbed by blood plasma. Then absorbed by, which can be easily absorbed by our blood plasma. Then this large fragment of food particles, insoluble particles breaking down into a smaller little particles breaking down into a smaller tiny particles soluble in water, which can be absorbed by our blood plasma. This process is called digestion. So let's start. This is suppose this food particle. This is a very large particle. This is very large particle. You know that, and insoluble. This is a insoluble here. This is insoluble. Okay, breaking down insoluble food particle into a small particle. Okay, breaking down. Just suppose this here. Breaking down large insoluble food fragment into a small soluble, smaller and water soluble fragment. Okay, breaking down into a small water soluble fragment of food particles. Okay, food particles. So this process is called, which can be easily absorbed by food plasma. Then this is a large particle and this is a very small green, like here. Breaking down green food particle. Suppose this is very smaller particle, food particle. Okay, know that. Okay, this is a very large particle. This is a large particle. We will take it from our mouth. Okay, this This is food particle, very large and insoluble in water, breaking down into a smaller water soluble fragment of food particles which can be easily absorbed by our blood plasma. Okay, this process is called digestion. Okay, so this is a food particles. This is a large food particle. Suppose that this is a large food particle and breaking down into a small water soluble fragment of food particles. This is a small particles. You can see on your screen. This is a small food particle. So this process is called digestion. So let's here we have to write here. The process of what is digestion? So, the process of breaking down, large insoluble food fragment. The process of breaking down large insoluble food fragment we had already taken as a food material by our mouth. Okay. So the process of breaking down large insoluble. You can see on your screen the process of breaking down large insoluble food fragment. Food fragment into smaller and water soluble particles. Into smaller water soluble particles of food fragment. We will take it from our mouth. Okay, we had already taken. We had already taken. Already will take in. From our mouth. Okay, so this process is called digestion and which can be easily absorbed by blood plasma and which can easily absorbed by blood plasma. When we can easily absorb by blood plasma, then large food particle breaking down into smaller particles soluble in water. So this is a very clearly description showing here how can define digestion and then absorbed by our blood plasma, which can easily absorb by our blood plasma. Keep in mind blood plasma. When we will absorb by blood plasma, then large food particle breaking down into smaller ones, little particle, then our blood plasma absorb very easily absorbed by this food particle by our blood plasma. Okay, so absorbed by our blood plasma. Okay, this is the underlying blood plasma. Okay, and then it's termed as digestion. This process is termed as digestion, and is termed as digestion. Okay, and all our body parts involve uptake and digestion. All parts of the body are involved in the uptake and digestion digestion of food, and along with elimination of undigested material. Elimination of undigested material through anus. Okay, through anus. So this is a very little bit description and very clearly description here how can define digestion. Keep in mind, large soluble substance breaking down into smaller ones, and which can easily absorb by blood plasma and blood cells present in our body. Okay, and this term is called digestion, and all body parts in all our parts of body are involved in uptake and digestion of food, and along with elimination of undigested material through anus. So all parts of the body okay, here all parts of the body are involved in the uptake and digestion of food. Uptake and digestion of food. Involved in the uptake and digestion of food, along with the elimination of undigested material. Along with the elimination of undigested material through anus. Elimination of undigested. Here, this is underlined undigested. Okay, you can easily find out on your screen undigested material. Okay, through anus. Pass out as a stool from anus. Okay, anus. So this is a very little bit description here. This is the anus. Okay, so let's revise. How can define digestion? Okay, so this is a large food particle. Large food particles. We had already taken from our mouth. This is a large food fragment and insoluble particles breaking down into a smaller water soluble fragment of food particles, and which can easily absorb by food plasma and blood nerves present in our body, which can easily absorb by is termed as digestion. And all parts of body involved in uptake and digestion of food, and along with elimination of undigested material through pass out as a stool from Okay, so this is a very clearfully description here how can define digestion. And next video we will know about what is alimentary canal, anatomy of alimentary canal, and which parts included in alimentary canal. So this is a series of human digestive system part, very lengthy description. Okay, so part wise already discussed, and next video we will come about with each part. Okay, so we will end this video here, and I will request to all, please subscribe, like and more share, and press red button for upcoming next series for human digestive system and know about what is alimentary canal. Here only know about what is digestion and how can define digestion. This is a very important part of in human digestive system, how can define digestion. So this is a keep in mind in two words, large insoluble food particles breaking down into smaller ones, particles soluble in water and which can easily absorb by blood plasma present in our body, and then all body parts involved in uptake and digestion of food, and along with elimination of undigested material, food material, so as a form of, as a stool, stored as a rectum and pass out from anus. So take care, bye bye, goodbye.